How to remove personal information from Google. So if you found your personal information visible to any website or any video, so you can easily remove it. You have to request the Google. So Google will be take action and your personal information will be released. So personal information could be your visiting card, sorry, your credit card, debit card, your identification card, anything. So I'm going to show you how you can request to the Google to remove your personal information. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, first you have to go in Google, go to the Google and log in with the email ID in which on which email ID you want conversation with Google. So just log in with with your email ID. Now type here request to remove personal information. Okay, so this link will be visible. This is from support Google. Just open it. So here you can see you remove your personal information. You have to read carefully. This is important notice. Google search show information gathered from website equals web. Now remove content from Google, so it may be still exist on the web. This means someone might be still find the content or page. Okay, that is all. Okay, so here is the personal information category. You have to select the personal information that good Google will you remove. So here you have to select. So I just select like remove the individual fake photography or okay. So about me site, I just select this image. Okay, just click on it. Now here you have to select other information. You have to read carefully this and now go to the start remove request, and here you have to choose some what do you want to remove information. So you will see option like this. So select the remove information you see in Google search, prevent information from showing the Google search. Okay, so whatever you want to just click. Now you have to select the information I want to remove. So Google search result on website or only Google search results. So if you see your information in any website, so you can just select this, or only Google, so you can select this. So I just select this one. So I want to remove information from particular website. So have you contacted this site owner? So if you contact this site owner, then select the option. If you don't contact, no, I prefer not to. How do I do that? So just click no if you don't contacted. Now you have to select I want to remove. So what do you want to remove? So I had select the image. So and in image case there is a sub category you have to select. So I just select personal info like ID and all. Okay, so now you have to select what information this ID has been has displaying. So I just select the government issued ID card. Now you have to select the India, whatever city country you have to select. I think driving license. Okay, all is done. Now you have to give the your full name. So I just give full name. Okay, this full name of person mentioned in the URL submit below. So here you have to enter the name on ID in which on the mm, ID name. So what the name of on ID you have to enter this. I just enter. Now you have to enter this your name. So here you have to enter your name is if you're submitting this request for other person, then you have to enter your name and this is the other person name. Now there is another information you have to submit. So you have to select all information. This is country, this is your contact email ID, and you can is the content live. So if still this contains live, you can just tick yes, and now you have to enter your URL, the particular search or website. So open with that website. So I just give the example of this and select this URL by control and A and copy it and go to and just paste it by control and V. Okay, you can enter the any other URL. If you have, just enter the any other URL and you can give the screenshot of this website. There is a button of your on keyword that's called print and scan. Just enter that and you can give the get the screenshot and upload the screenshot from here. You can select the country which issue the social security. So if you have to select your country or that country which issue your with identity card. So I just select any other. You have any additional information in front, just select. Here you have to select this and just submit it. So after I think between uh, after 1 week or within 2 week you will get the all information on this your email id, contact email id. So the contact email id should be right, and just hit enter the right email id and you will get, Google will get back on this email id. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.